Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the language in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open your Google Docs and open the document where you want to change the language. Now click File from the top menu and from the drop-down, click on Language. A list of available language will appear. Scroll through the list or find the language you want to use. Click on your preferred language. Google Docs will instantly apply that language to your document for features like spell check and grammar suggestions. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.